Did you know that you can get great images of your pet with Sony cameras? Let's have a look how. First of all, you're going to want to choose the right lens. So if you're down the beach with your dog running around and they're quite far away from you, it can be a good idea to use a telephoto lens. However, if you're indoors or in a restricted space, you're going to much more want a wide angle or standard zoom. The subject recognition in Sony cameras can identify animals, and you can leave this set to auto, but it's actually better to manually set it to animal. We do this by pressing the FN button, going to subject recognition and selecting animal. The camera is now actively looking for an animal, and that's linked onto your autofocus area. Speaking of autofocus area, if your pet is a quick mover, it's a really good idea to set your area to wide plus tracking. Don't forget also to set your focus mode to AFC to follow a moving subject. Set your drive mode to continuous shooting high plus. This means you can fire off a lot of shots and choose the best image afterwards. As an additional tip, it can be a really good idea to get down on the same level as your pet, because this can give a really impactful composition. With Sony cameras and our subject recognition, you can ensure you get great focus on your pet with every shot.